So just a quick introduction to gas density formula. We know from earlier in our stoichiometry unit that moles is the mass divided by the molar mass for any substance. So mass over molar mass gives us moles. We also know that density is the mass divided by the volume for any substance. In the ideal gas law, we know pressure times volume is nRT, the moles times the gas constant times the temperature. So let's just do some substitution. Since N is equal to mass divided by molar mass, let's substitute that. So the ideal gas law could say PV equals, instead of N, we'll say mass over molar mass and times RT. Now if we rearrange this, we can multiply both sides by big M, the molar mass. P times big M times volume would equal MRT. And then we could divide both sides by the volume, and we'd have P times M is M over volume times RT. But notice that M over volume is density. So therefore, density times RT is equal to P times M, pressure times molar mass. So solving for density, the density of a gas, an ideal gas, would be the pressure times the molar mass divided by RT. So you need to use the molar mass in grams per mole, your temperature in Kelvin, and then depending on the units for pressure, if you're using kilopascals, then R would be 8.314. If you're using pressure in atmospheres, then R would be 0.0821. But notice that the density we're going to calculate came from mass over volume in the ideal gas law, and volume was in liters, right? The ideal gas law volume must be in liters. So that means the units for this density will be grams per liter. All right, so there you have it. Now we can also take this formula here and rearrange it to find molar mass of a gas. That's also something that you sometimes need to do. Doing some algebra, we get that the molar mass is MRT divided by PV, and sometimes you'll take M divided by V and call that density. So dRT over P. So some questions will ask for the molar mass of a gas, and you can just do some algebraic manipulations of the ideal gas law to get a formula for molar mass. Hope that helps.